Hey, what's going on guys? Today we'll be taking a look at the new Motion Boom Plus by Soundcore, which is upgraded and a better version of Soundcore Motion Boom, which was also a hit. Also, don't forget it's basically the brand Anker. I really love Anker products because they really last. Okay, so basically it's backed with 80 watts of power, and guys, the drivers they have used is pretty interesting. It's dual titanium and silk dome drivers. Also, it can play up to 20 hours. Okay, so let's get into the unboxing part. The packaging is pretty good for this price range. Okay, so we get one quick guide, warranty card, and USB Type-C cable. The Type-C cable is made of good quality. Also, they have included a detachable strap with the speaker to give that boombox look. What I really love about the speaker is that it's really lightweight. You can literally walk around the streets playing loud volume using the detachable cable. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the speaker. As soon as you take off the cover, you'll see Soundcore branding, and it's almost every side of the speaker. The branding of the Soundcore, it's really good. I kind of like it. Also, they have used really good quality grills to cover up the drivers. Now looking at the build quality, looks like it's made of plastic, but there's a premium touch to it. I would say for this price range, this is really good. Also, when you take a look at the back, you'll find one USB-C port, one USB out for fast charging, and also one auxiliary port, which is rare these days. I like the fact that they have included this. It will be useful for many people who are still counting on the aux port, so there's a plus to that. You can find a link in the description below to purchase the speaker if you love what you see. Overall speaking, I kind of like the speaker design because it's very handy, and it does look like a classy boombox, and it's surprisingly lightweighted. Before we take it out for testing, let's go ahead and take out this bad boy's grill. Taking out the grill was really an easy job. Now let's take it outside and do some crazy bass tests for you guys.